So myself Hussain Babu, working for Department of Agriculture, Nalgonda, which is neighboring to this Hyderabad city. So my point is from the point of farmers I had come to this place. So my district has got lot of paddy cultivation, cotton cultivation. So cotton running to some 7 lakh acres in a year, and whereas paddy 5 lakh acres in a season. So in a year 10 lakh acres paddy you are cultivating. So a lot of troubles are coming actually. So to address these issues, how this biochar convention can be useful for my farming community. From that point I had come to this August gathering, and I would like to take a lot many inputs from this forum, so that I can be of some use to my farming community. In that aspect I had come particularly. And the other agenda item for me is youth. So a lot of still that is 58% of population of India depending on agriculture. Mostly they are living in rural areas. So for them employment is a big constraint. So I would like to shift these people, that means motivate these people to agriculture, so that they can have the remunerative kind of agriculture, particularly blending with kind of ideas like integrated farming systems, so that natural things can be produced. The other thing is carbon neutral food. That is another concept for me, carbon neutral food. So ultimately the food that we eat, we consume, it should be what you call sustainable. That means in a sense it should be proper. So clubbing these ideas, taking some input from here, so that how best I can reach the common man, that's my farmer, so that ultimately he will be benefited out of these ideas. So this is the idea, basic idea for me when I am connected to this program. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.